What's up people? So today I have a really important thing I want to show you guys, and I want to introduce her to the channel. So before I do that, I'm gonna give her a quick wash. So cue the time lapse and we'll talk more after the time lapse. Okay guys, so I've just finished washing her up. As you can see, I'm in the car, and so I'm gonna take her on a short drive right now to a really nice place. At least I think it's nice. And then once I get settled in there, I'll start filming then. So quick time lapse, driving to the place. Focus. There we go. Okay, so I guess without further ado, I'm gonna introduce you guys to the most important thing in my life right now. So here she is. This is Jane. So say hi to Jane. Yeah, she's a 1989 200SX S13 with a CA18 DT engine in it. She's basically fully stock. It's got a turbo swap out from a S15, so she's running a T28 instead right now, and she's got 5 luck conversions done to it, front and rear, R33 rears, front fender has been converted to the BN Sport ones, rear as well, so she's on a wide body right now. We've got the Lonely Driver sticker in kanji on the front windscreen. My Instagram handle here. Oh, she's also got the 180SX rear quarter glass, so it's been swapped out. Running 15-inch Watanabes on there. Can't remember the offset. Type X tail lamps conversion done to it. Street legal NVIDIA exhaust on the car, with a 92nd Division sticker on there, and a front mount intercooler in the front as well, because previously she was running on a side mount. So I guess that's pretty much it for the exterior of the car. So let's go into the interior right now. So sorry, so those are just my camera gear, don't mind about it. So the interior has nothing much done to it other than the seats. It's got electric windows, and the car didn't come with stock seats at all. It was some crappy seats, so I had to go buy the 180SX passenger seat. Got that installed as well. What else? I bought this off my friend. It's a Bride or Breed, however you want to pronounce it, Lomax, with side protectors, and the car didn't come with any radio of any sort, no speakers at all, so I had to install a double din head unit here, an unknown gear knob. There's a drift button here as well, and oh, this is a really rare piece. So this is the coin holder, because normally it would be an ashtray, so yeah, it's pretty hard to come by. It's a pretty rare piece. I like that part of the car. What else? So yeah, it also has a Silvia steering wheel in it, and so it also has a conversion done on the cluster. It's a digital one. Previously it was running the analog cluster, and I also installed the Blitz, boost gauge. Can you guys see? Focus. Yep. So that's a old school Blitz racing boost gauge. Period correct. Really like it. What else? So nothing much done to the back. Got a rear battery relocation done. The rear seats are currently removed. Also got a roll bar in the car. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for Jane right now. I'm gonna be doing more stuff to her in the future, so be sure to comment, like, and subscribe so you can follow me on my journey. I guess I'm gonna end the video right now because the sun's setting. I don't really have good lighting, and I guess that's that. So, before I end the channel, you guys are probably wondering what happened to the front. I got into a minor accident a couple months back, but don't worry, I'm gonna fix her up. She's probably going to the shops next week, if not soon, to get her all fixed up and looking good once again. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.